Hey everybody, I'm going to walk you through some information about the Code of Conduct assignment. So the first thing you're going to do is download this Word document, which I've already done, that talks to you about the Code of Conduct. If you've already downloaded the assignment, you might have some additional links here under the P-12 schools. I've taken those out because those were links for the 2015 school year. You're welcome to still use them. One of them was active and one wasn't. But I'm going to walk you through how to search for the current school year. So the first thing you're going to do, and I'll let you do that independently, is read the information from NEA and Scholastic on general information about student codes of conduct. After you look at those two articles, then you're going to conduct a Google or Yahoo search, whatever kind of search you want to conduct, on a local P-12 school district. It can be the district you grew up in. You can choose one of the counties close to Eastern. So I went in and did a Yahoo search. I looked for Madison County Schools. That brought up the Madison County Schools webpage. And you're going to have to search for their code of conduct. So you can either use the search tool in the website, or I went down to district information, and when I looked at About Us, the second link is their Code of Acceptable Behaviors and Discipline. And when you click on that link, you're going to get the Madison County Schools Code of Acceptable Behaviors and Discipline. So check out at least two different school districts' code of conduct. I also went to Fayette County and opened up their code of conduct that was revised in June of 2015. So choose two counties, look at their codes of conduct, then come back to the assignment, and your job then is to open up a Google Doc, and you're going to add some information. When I'm finished with that, I'm going to go to the comment section in Blackboard and upload the document that I made. Then I'm also going to go to my Live Binder, and under the Classroom Managements tab, I'm going to share my link for my code of conduct. And then best practice will be to also put that in your teacher webpage. If you share your teacher webpage when you're applying for jobs, it's good to show that you understand the code of conduct. In your teacher webpage, you could link it to, say, Fayette County's code of conduct, if that's where you would be applying for a job, and then add your own code of conduct for the classroom. It's always good practice. So to make my assignment, I'm going to copy what I need to do. So I'm copying that, and then I'm going to go to my Google Drive. Here I am in my EKU EDF 204 drive. I'm going to add a new Google Doc. I'm going to create that in my shared folder. And then I'm going to title this document Code of Conduct. And I am going to give it the title here, and then I'm going to paste in my work, and that is really small. So I'm going to go under that, and I'm going to add my name. It says the grade or content area you choose. I'm going to say that I'm going to teach third grade, but if I was going to teach high school, I might put 9th to 10th grade algebra. So whatever your content area is, type that in if you're going for secondary. If you're in elementary, then just put the grade. At least 3 rules or procedures to use for using technology in the classroom. So my first rule would be use kind words. Tell a teacher or adult if I find information that I don't understand or isn't school okay, and I would teach my kids what school okay means. And follow directions the first time given. Stay on the websites I am asked to use. And I'm also going to put apps because my students might have access to iPads. Alrighty. Those are my 3 rules, and I'm going to do 3 rules for using tech. And then the next thing in the directions in the Word document was to add some kind of clip art to make it attractive. Alrighty, I'm going to delete my directions now because I know what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go do a Google search, and I just typed in code of conduct. I'm in Google Images, and I found this image that I liked, and then this image that I liked. So remember that you're going to click on View Image. So, whoops, here I've got my view image, and then I'm going to copy my image, and then I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to paste that image into my Google Doc and center it so it looks nice. And then I'm going to make this a little bit bigger and make my rules bigger so that hopefully your formatting looks really nice. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger, so I've got, there we go. All right. And I think I'm going to add another piece of clip art at the top just to show that I can do that. I'm going to copy this image, which I already went and got the best image I could. And I think that I'm going to crop this image because I don't like all the stuff around it. So I'm going to crop it as close as I can to the board to make it look as nice as I can. All right, and I think I just want the black part of the board, no hands. All right, so now I've got my, oops. And if you make a mistake, use that undo tool. Alrighty, perfect. All right, for some reason that went on the next page, which means that something's probably too big. So there we go. I can take off the words code of conduct now because that's what my title says. Alrighty, there we go. So now everything's done. I'm good to go. I'm going to go up to share. I'm getting my shareable link. If I was in my EKU Google, I would need to change this so that anyone with the link can view, not just people at EKU. I'm going to copy this link and say done, and that way I am ready to post this into my live binder. Let me know if you have any other questions. I hope you enjoy your search on Code of Conduct.